Yo, what's up everyone? It's Mark here with M2M Detail. In this video, guys, we're going to be doing paint protection film on the hood of this 2020 Rav4. Real quick, guys, I got pretty much prepped up. I'm about to grab the film. Wanted to show you guys a real quick video on how to install PPF to a hood. We're going to be using SunTech Ultra PPF. Probably the last couple cars we're going to be using the Ultra, and then we're going to be swapping out to the Reaction. We have used it. It works really good. We really do like it. So if you guys don't know about the new film from SunTech, check it out. It's called Reaction. It's really good, really hydrophobic. This one's also hydrophobic too as well. The new one's just an improved one, but it's a lot easier to use too, so that's a plus. But all right, guys, let's get straight into the video before it dries out, and let me grab this film. All right, well, I'll soak it back down one more time before we get started. Make sure everything runs off the paint a little bit. If anything fell, we can wash out real quick. All right, guys, that looks good. Let's grab the film. All right, get our starting point. Just toss it, just like that. Kind of see what we're dealing with. Not too bad, guys. Everything's looking pretty simple install right now, guys. So we're gonna be using hot water for tack. Let me get you guys a better view. All right, guys. You guys got a really good view right now. So you can see we got some recess right here. We'll have to work those out, of course. Don't mind me, guys. I'm gonna be walking back and forth in front of the camera a bunch. But real quick, when you guys are starting out, tack down your key points. So we're gonna be tacking down the corners, all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So not too crazy, but we'll start back here. We're gonna get our hot water going. Throw a little bit of hot water right there. Line up that edge, guys. Looks good. Okay, so one down. Let's move on to the other one. Remember, guys, when you're squeegeeing after your attack points, you want to work away from your attack location because you're not trying to put solution back where you tacked it. That's going to cause some discoloration. So now we're going to work on these bottom curves. We're about maybe 1 inch off, so let's pull it down and get stretched. Remember, guys, tack away from your tack point. Move that solution out of the way. There we go. Now we got one more. That should be good. All right, guys, now that we got our main points down, now we're just gonna start moving some of this air out. If you guys haven't been doing a lot of PPF, air is not your friend. Let me tell you, air will cause distortion real quick if it's dry in there. Put a little slip on top. So pretty much just gonna work out some of this air by hand real quick, guys, get some of these big bubbles out. Also, when you're doing this is gonna help your slip solution go in different areas, so it's not gonna be tacky anywhere you're trying to squeegee. So, that looks good. You guys see we got some fingers down here we're gonna have to have some fun with. Nothing crazy though, not too bad. All right, so looks good. All right, let's start squeegeeing out from the top middle and we'll work our way. And guys, we are using a lot of pressure, by the way. This is pretty intense squeegeeing. So you don't want to leave no air behind. Try to get out as much solution as possible. Remember, be careful from your tack points. You don't want to put your solution back into it because you'll probably get some discoloration or you'll break your tack point. That going two. Let's get this top out. Looking good, no issues. So just slowly working this corner down, guys, because we got a little bit of fingers, so we want to take our time, make sure we work those out as we're going down. Finish off all this. Damn, that was violent. Nah, we're good. Okay guys, so now we just got some fingers left with. We're gonna go ahead and re-squeegee the whole hood real quick. Get this all, make sure we don't get anything left behind. Try to catch it in the beginning so we don't have too much area that didn't get squeegeed out. So we're just gonna go through on the black side, which is a firm side, which I was using in the beginning a little bit too, not gonna lie. And we're just gonna work our way around. There we go. Let's get this going. Okay, let's get this side dialed in. Oh, need more hot water. Just finish this off and I'll go fill up. There we go. Let's get this front down. Okay. Let me go get some hot water real quick. All right guys, so we got some fresh hot water. So we're pretty much gonna finish up these corners real quick. So we're gonna get some hot water in there, and then we're just squeegeeing them down. Mike was like, what? They probably just paid the carrots and I guess.
You did.
We pulled it.
We saw him, man. Hey, that's Metro.
Yeah.
He's trying to do it. He pushed out and twisted and sent him